Hi, Timothy Unkert here. I thought I'd do a short video on Pi Day, and I want to incorporate VIM. So you're going to learn a little bit of math, but you're also going to learn a trick with VIM that will help you with the math. Okay, so let's say we wanted to find the area of a circle that had a radius of 5 units. Okay, so area is pi times the radius times the radius times the radius squared, right? So pi, an approximation of pi is 3.14. Okay, so we could say that the area is going to be, in terms of units, 3.14 times 5 times 5. Okay, and then we could figure out what that is. But now I have to take out a calculator. Well, hold on. No, I don't. I'm going to press Control R and then equals. And I'm going to do 3.14 on the bottom here, times 5, and hit enter. Look at that. VIM did the calculation for me. So again, that keyboard shortcut was, I'm going to do a capital C here, Control R and then equals. Okay, that will allow you to do multiplication, division, whatever within VIM. Okay, so let's do one more example before I end this video. Let's find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 10 units. Okay, so actually let's make it a harder number. Let's make it 12.5 units. Okay, so the circumference is equal to pi, actually 2 times pi times r. Okay, equals the circumference. Okay, so in this case, it would be 2 times pi, which is, we're approximating 3.14, times the radius 12.5. Okay, we'll see what that equals. I'm going to do Control R equals, and now I'm going to do 2 times 3.14 times 12.5. Okay, and that's also 78.5 units. It's almost like I planned that out that way, but I didn't. Okay. Anyways, just to have clarification up here, for area, that's going to be units squared, and for circumference, it's just going to be units. Okay. But anyways, I hope you found this video interesting and it taught you a little bit about VIM and doing some calculations in VIM. If you like this video, please hit the like button, as it will help get out to more people. I also want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.